The following is paid for by the People's National Party.
Keisha,
What?
why me never saying at the exam?
I never have enough money to pay the school fees, so I just couldn't do the exam.
Hold on, Keisha, hold on.
What?
Say I hear about the PNP First in the Family program.
No? What that?
It's a program where if you're the first in your family, if you attend college or university, you get a scholarship for funded.
But me already there college, that have nothing to do with me.
Keisha, calm down.
Yes.
Hold on. It no matter if you're already in college or if you just got started, you can still get it.
So does that mean that my little brother get to say that I made it?
Definitely. You're gonna be the first, but you definitely won't be the last.
That sounds fun.
Sounds good. Keisha, that sounds great. What you say, man?
It sounds like time come for sure.
Education is the bridge between struggle and opportunity. It is how we lift families and grow a modern economy.
The proceeding was paid for by the People's National Party.